Well, I just turned the corner and I thought, that's me on the computer over there. That's pretty cool, you know, what the hell, you know? You guys are all right.
There's like little cameras like right here. And then these are all installed in like various windows.
That's probably the one I saw, because by the time I turned the corner, you know, I looked over and saw it. You know, government in action. But
So this is John's project. He's one of the artists that bought into this meta project thing, this infrastructure, to see what different artists would do with the same data set. Do you want to explain your?
Okay. This is pulling streams from 4 of the cameras that are set up around downtown. And the stream with the most motion on it at the time kind of bleeds into the foreground. And here, as you do it, you have a camera yourself. So you see that this happening, you can move around and kind of influence it so that you become the center of focus of the gaze of the camera.
very nice.
And as you interact with it, that's when it starts recording. So what I was showing earlier on the computer was all the captured frames of people or cars kind of playing with this to become the foreground scene. So
the more you interact with it, the more you become the focus.
Yeah, the more you bleed into the foreground, the more motion is going on in the plane. But yet you still have to compete with all the other cameras' motion.
Right.
So if there are in front of the other cameras, if there is significant motion, then you're competing against that motion for the foreground. Yeah, that's really nice.
So like if we stand still, we'll see like the other cameras kind of fade in when the cars go by. At night it tends to flicker a lot because it's getting motion off its own reflection.
That's really nice. I mean, it's really nice how you found that relationship with the rest of the structure, to be able to use it in this, and it's really good rather than just have a standalone kind of art projects.
Yeah, we wanted to make the borders of the projects transparent, rather than being a grid structure, basically.
Just like you can see kind of some of Mike's rollers in the corners there.
It's just really nice how it makes these like urban landscapes that are vibrant.
I like the flickering aspect in the background.
Some of the images are actually really beautiful.
Yeah.
There you go.
Well, it looks like it's lit. It looks, well, I don't know, I guess it's the, it actually looks like flickering, like film does when exposure.
When there's motion.
So,
As it reaches a certain threshold of motion. It's interesting, like when the bus or something goes by, you see it in this, you see it from this camera, then you see it from the next camera, you see it from the camera above. And so like, it's this weird sort of tracking thing that takes place in
What do
one
you do with
frame.
that footage?
Yeah.
Are you going to do a different project with that?
I was showing some of it.
I've always wanted like to be able to
If you saw like there's one part where it looks like just same as our street. That's
like use it as a tool.
Yeah, like
Yeah. I was thinking, well, so I was talking to John about it. It's like this, having 7 monitors that allow you to see separate things.
Large projection.
Basically, it's saying whatever activity's there.
Context
Show up. So you only need to look at one monitor and see things kind of pulse forward. It's almost like anything that was moving across everything else in the background of the cities. So it's a really relative movement. And I don't know if that'd be the best thing I'd say.
Yeah, very international.
Yeah.
This place is a prison, and these people aren't your friends. Inhaling thrills through $20 bills, and the tumblers are drained and then flooded again and again. me. I know there's a big world out there like the one that I saw on the screen. In my living room late last night, it was almost too bright to see. I know that it's not a party if it happens every night. Pretending there's glamour and candelabra when you're drinking by candlelight.